Envi Micro-Urban Village is an urban infill subdivision project on a micro scale. So we take one residential house block and we subdivide it in freehold subdivision into 10. Micro-lot housing means that you can be in the city and have a house that's small, but it's your own. You're invited to go out and enjoy the public amenity that is the street. You're in fact living not just in your house, but you're living within the community. There's obviously something about Envi that looks different. It's so rich on the streetscape. There's an invisible infrastructure of legality and title that makes Envi look the way it does. In order to achieve something different, we have to do something different. The most affordable way to procure a house in Australia is a house and land package. But it's not your average house and land package. You've got the land and the building contract, the architect puts that all together, and the owner comes along, and then they become this kind of little mini developer of their own. They have three components of participation. One is they sign the building contract, so they're taking on a bit of responsibility there. The second thing is that they're curating their home, selecting finishes and putting in a little bit of time and effort. And the third thing, of course, is they're being patient, but they get the reward of having a cheaper house and having a house that's more suited to them. What a village needs is diversity, and Envi is very much the same. It consists of three housing typologies. The micro terrace is envisioned for the first home buyer, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, no cars. The urban pod is maybe the second home, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 car. The village home is almost like the suburban house in the city, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2 cars. So I have a vision of how this model could really work for affordability for all communities. With each project, there's always the need for pre-sales, which unlock finance. So those pre-sales could actually come from social housing. And then the natural outcome is that the social housing is mixed in with regular housing, exactly what society should be. It's quite a different model to, say, the Nightingale model. It's commercially driven, and it's about getting people into their first homes, but also actually building their wealth so that their housing security is never at risk again. We're not saying, well, no, you can't sell at a profit. In fact, we're encouraging it. The most important way to keep that affordability going is to just do more of them. We were told, you will never sell to first home buyers. So the challenge accepted. We wanted to have 4, we ended up with 7. So 70% take up in any development project of first home buyers is quite remarkable. The buyers didn't always know what they were looking for, but when they found Envi, it was like, that was it. They knew immediately.